Saleng Sangma rangkat gajing senran lang ginong alam geseng Kongres ulalit ban IT gishiti Iehnoh hau Commissioner but Secretary the Legislative Assembly uba Andrew Simon. Saleng Sangma shen unsalit ban bamsmai kum MP bapura jong katura. Hagajing alang kebanlong haki yang dorbar tauan Parliament. Saleng Sangma ulami kemat eka Gambegre constituency laisen lenter kum MLA. Ban mentau lahab ban Iehnoh agjinglong MLA hadien mula job yaki election MP syakulok sabha. Habai keren beginaw patay kubor Saleng Sangma ulong ula shah jied kamu MP kum tahashwa ponet ban bam smai ula haban pendap no ya kejing Iehnoh na kejinglong MLA. Ula ai kublai gipat ba kibri gibril ke basyap tiang ya ublai. Ya kiba ulong ba shim lanyo ya ki kum kibri na keseng BJP NPP ne Kongres. Ndrai gidi gibril ke iya ke syong sok syong san. Bakila jied yu un le ai hakmalwan ra ya kejing kala. Ulong bakum UMP unshim kia hakaban ra hagi yang dorbar parlimen yaki mat ki benang saateng jong gejela ki bagentup egejing dawa egejing pentrekam yaki inaline permit ban penrung ya keketian khasi bat garo hagi 8 schedule jong keriti sencari ban persyajor ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act bat kiwe-kiwe. Saleng Sangma ulong bagajing job jong Kongres hari lom karo kadi namar bakila kerana gejing shisha bat kran lor ki mat kibedai bat gejing jaha Manipur kamat jong kirit pat bat kum jo halor kajing bam senyo ke sorkar jela halor kimat beper da gebakran bed halor jing shisha paro badulai kajing pular ban shimkia halor kajing persang ban thombor yaki kristan bat kirit pat bat gijat menreu beper omtang ha jela hendrai ha kerihi berokawai ulong baga TMC bagi wei pat kiseng san pertai kim shimla kershan satya yu hak election MP kebaladap kidi gipat ba kibla kershan yu ulong bagi jengdan keti bagi jengker ku blai yu ban poi syakathong nalor kani ulong bagi jeng job jeng kamdai banwan ai jeng kershan ya ke BJP ndagi bawan ai jeng kershan gidai tang gibrewe ke ba kwa ban ai nam AA ya keseng ndagi gipat ba bat kinong elam balang hal kabayadai bagi jeng keno menteri rang ba ke Asam Himanta Biswa Sarma uba ka NDA na kathan stelam ini ulong baglarem kedai tang nakadau jong kawekanyam. Saleng Sangma ulong bau menteri rang ba kejela Asam daladihi uyalap election dakanyam. Bat ulele ban penduk jat ipat Muslim. Saleng Sangma ulong ba omdai setia ban keno ekanyam. Bat ule keno ru ba imat bau menteri rang ba ke Asam ba ula mendan kejing pang ha kejing dunah gebor perkhat ne kejing keta ekakle.
You see, voters of courage. You see, they are God-fearing people. They are not identified as BJP, NPP or Congress. They are public, they are peace-loving people. So that's the reason why they have chosen me to do something to make some differences.
Well, is it true that the voters of TMC and NPP, they supported you?
Have you seen any scar in there like NPP, TMC or Congress? Nobody is TMC, nobody is Congress, nobody is NPP, nobody is such like that. But the thing is that since they have been given such some designations in certain area, that's why they choose to be that particular party. But nobody is NPP, nobody is Congress, nobody is nobody is TMC. They're all public. They need to make a change. They needed to make a change for their own family, for their own people, and for the society as a whole. So that's the reason why I think they have chosen me, not as a Congress, but they've chosen me for the change. So I'll definitely try to deliver whatever task it will be before me. No, there was no such agenda. It was the truth that we have spoken. For example, now we talk about the Manipur issues, we talk about the minority issues, we talk about issues happening in and around. And then moreover, the negligence of the state government and the local, the MP then. That's what we have just tried to flush out and then speak the truth. We didn't make any promises or make an agenda, but the thing is that we made promises that definitely we will be looking after how they try to bulldoze our Christian community and then all the minorities and all other sections of the people, not only within the state, outside the state also, and then outside within the country.
Some CM says that religious line it went. Kambe.
You see, some CM himself has talked about the religious during the election. Have you not seen that one? That they will try to do away. You have already seen about the how Assam CM has already done away with all those religious areas. Okay. Now, why to talk much about it? Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disorder. He himself has talked about the religion during the election campaign, and before that also he has done away with lots of Muslim communities. You have seen it openly. So why he is blaming the religion right now? He should not have blamed it, I think. That's why I'm telling you, he might be having some mental disorder regarding this one.
How can you say that he's having a mental disorder?
Because he himself is repeating the same which he has already spoken against it before. You have already seen it. He said that he doesn't need Mia, he doesn't need this and that. He was speaking openly against, the functioning of the particular religious doctrine. Now, how can he speak that, that Meghalaya or like Manipur, Nagaland has played those kind of role? That's why. This is the simple reason. Or CA has been notified from before, but we might be able to make a changes, so we will call for that, and then we will discuss with all the leaders from the Delhi, and then how to go about, because there's a lots of rules and regulations which they have already framed it. So frame by frame we will study about that, and then we will discuss the matter along with them, and then see how it can be revoked, or maybe changes few area where it can be. ILP was the state subject, but after 2020, 2016-17, I think so, it has become the central subject. So definitely we will be taking the discussions with my leaders from the AICC and then all the legislative members in Delhi. That way, after that only I can give you the answer.